Sabay-sabay natin alamin ang mga kaganapan na nangyayari sa ating bansa.
Yo, what's up mga kaibigan? This is I2K po again. Ngayon nandito naman ulit tayo sa channel ni Pinas News. Dito naman ulit tayo magbibigyan ng komento at reaksyon. Pero bago ang lahat ng yan mga kaibigan, sa lahat ng hindi pa nakasubscribe kay Pinas News, mag-subscribe na po tayo at huwag nyo rin pong kalimutan mag-subscribe dito sa aking channel. Simulan na natin mga kaibigan. Let's go!
Pero are you aware if there are some of your colleagues who are dissatisfied with your leadership? Kasi may mga nakausap po kaming senador, they were saying na meron talagang attempt to unseat.
Maraming haka-haka, chismis na papalitan daw ako, ikukudetaw daw ako.
Ang sabi kasi ni Senator Cynthia Villar, paano daw kayo ikukudeta? Eh kayo daw mismo ang nagpapaikot sa statement of support para ipapirma sa kanila.
Hindi po ako core group namin po na papapirma. I'd like to correct the statement of Senator Cynthia Villar. Kasi hindi naman ako, not personally, I'm not the one moving around with the document. Maybe I can ask those who are moving the document to see them. As a matter of fact, I spoke to Ma'am Cynthia yesterday and Ma'am Amy. They also gave their support. And ang gusto po nila, walang gulo. Alam mo, maraming challenges po ang hinaharap ng Senado, ng politika na yon, ng taong bayan, lalo na yung mga kababayan nating hirap at gutom sa buhay. Dapat magpakita po tayo ng solid show of support to the institution. Not just to me, it's to the institution na hindi tayo nagkakagulo.
Yung clarify lang,
yes.
Hindi galing sa inyo si statement of support. Kanino po galing and why is there a need for that, sir? Kasi lagi sinasabi, chismis lang yung po, pero bakit kailangan, sir, may statement of support?
Well, maraming haka-haka, chismis na papalitan daw ako, ikukudetaw daw ako, online, on mga social media sites. And I think my colleagues, particularly my core group, like for example, Senator Joel, Senator JV, Senator Angara, Senator Nancy, Senator Poe, Senator Lauren, we all met one day and said, they all met one day and sabi nila, actually nasa Cagayan de Oro ako noon. I was not here. I was in Cagayan de Oro. Nagpaikot sila ng manifesto of support. So nagpapasalamat po ako sa kanila. And because of that, many more senators, of course, wanted to show signs of support para matigil na po yung usapin na kudeta. So we can focus on the issue at hand, which is how to pass legislation that will help uplift the lives of Filipino people, or Filipino people.
So, sir, meron talagang nagtatangkang ma-unseat kayo?
Hindi kasi puro haka-haka lang para matigil na yung haka-haka at usapin na yan, yung mga rumors na yan, ay ginawa na po nitong manifesto of support. So, I think that's very clear and I don't really want to add fuel to the fire anymore. As far as we're concerned, that's all water, rough waters under the bridge. Let's move forward and start working together. Marami pa tayong trabaho. This is the last 2 weeks of work. I always say, di ba sinasabi ko palagi, I serve at the pleasure of my colleagues. Kung hindi naman po ako effective bilang leader, then I'm ready to step down as long as the numbers show that I'm no longer effective as a leader. Pero yung mga kasama natin, nagulat sila at sabi nila, wala naman masamang ginagawa si Senator Zubiri. As a matter of fact, I'm probably the most amiable Senate President. I'm also the most consensus-building among possibly previous Senate Presidents. Talaga ako, I'd like to get the consensus as well as support of each and every one of my colleagues before we act on a certain issue. I think I've been very transparent, and even in these last few days, sabi ko nga, open book ako, pati yung mga institutional amendments sa budget. Sabi ko, labas natin institutional amendments. Like for example, yung tutulong natin sa Coast Guard, sa military, para makita nila na wala po tayong, hindi po natin iniisahan ng mga senador. That's the least of my not concerns, but it's for me, what is important is reputation. Gusto ko, by the end of the 19th Congress, by the end of my term, sabihin ng ating mga kasamaan na effective at maganda naman ang patakbo ng ating Senate President in this 19th Congress.
Just for the record, can you explain to us why we have to sign the statement of support?
Oh, hindi naman ako humingi niyan, my dear. Maybe you can ask the core group. Yeah.
Yung signature
Kayo mismo.
I was requested by the group to sign na rin para to show, kasi kung kasama ako, 14 yun eh. Kung hindi ako sumama dyan, baka sabihin only 13 ang support ni Senator Zubiri. So total number yan is 14. So there are 14 senators. Yes, will be 17.
Pero
Yes.
are you aware if there are some of your colleagues who are dissatisfied with your leadership? Kasi may mga nakausap po kaming senador, they were saying na meron talagang attempt to unseat you, to replace you.
I don't want to discuss that anymore. I don't want to dwell in that. I don't want to comment on that. Kasi mukhang in-address naman natin yung mga concerns nila. And I think that's the most important, these concerns. We're actually having several caucuses. Ano pang pagbibigay, ano pang pwede natin ibigay in terms of services sa ating mga senators. And of course, kailangan siguro continuous consultation with the senators. So, wala naman, I don't see any problem, and as seen by the manifesto, they're happy naman with my leadership.
Maybe so, sir, anong concerns yung na-address niyo?
I guess maybe dahil nga sa stress natin in the last few months about yung charter change, yung EI, yung People's Initiative, siguro sa stress po natin, hindi po natin sila nakakausap kagad sa mga concerns nila. Dahil nga, medyo at that time, our institution was under threat.
To set the record straight.
Apo.
Sabi niyo core group yung nagpaikot ng statement of support. Pero ang sabi kasi ni Senator Cynthia Villar, paano daw kayo ikukutin na? Kayo daw mismo ang nagpapaikot sa statement of support para papirma sa kanila.
Hindi po ako core group namin po napapapirma. I'd like to correct the statement of Senator Cynthia Villar. Nasa Cagayan de Oro po ako. This weekend, I was in Cagayan de Oro. So, I was in Bukidnon. You can check my Facebook page. I was in the Division Schools meet in Kibawe, Bukidnon. So, I was there.
Kailan muna start SB yung pagpapaikot ng core group?
Over the weekend, I believe.
Sir,
Pero okay naman kayo kay Senator Cynthia.
Okay. Wala naman kami problema. Okay. Nakasama ko siya nasa Bicam kanina. We practice one man, one vote here. Or one person, one vote. So, hindi porket inutos ko sa kanila, gagawin nila. Alam mo, pag inutusan ko silang gawin yan, mawawala talaga ako, Senate President. Maniwala kayo sa akin. I will no longer have the trust and confidence of more than 14 senators if I force them to vote on the affirmative. Again, I said, I'm only like Primos Inter Pares, I'm just the first of equals, and we will respect them on their vote. Will be 70.
At yun nga po mga kaibigan, dito po nagtatapos ang ating reaction video. Muli ako po si I2K ng Sundalo ng Dunggalo. Maraming salamat sa patuloy na pagsuporta. Yeah, peace out.